Hi dear children, welcome to English class. Today we are going to study from the grammar textbook chapter 6. Today we are going to study about describing words. Describing words. So what are describing words? Here you see some pictures you can see. This is a red scarf and a garden and some colorful balloons. And here you see my mother gave me a red scarf. My mother gave me red scarf. Here you see scarf, it's a naming word and that naming word is described. How it is described? Its color is mentioned here. What color is it? It's red. So read the sentence, my mother gave me red scarf. So here red is the description of that scarf, isn't it? Then again another sentence you see, the garden had beautiful flowers. The garden had beautiful flowers. Here flowers is the naming word and that flower is described as beautiful. Then another sentence, I bought some colorful balloons. I bought some colorful balloons. What type of balloons? Colorful balloons. And here you see the words red, beautiful and colorful describe the naming words that comes after them. Here you see in this sentence scarf is the naming word, here flowers is the naming word and balloon is the naming word. So the words red, beautiful and colorful are the describing words and these describing words always come before the naming word, okay, or we can say the words which describe the naming word that comes after them. So after this describing word the naming words comes. Then words that describe the qualities of naming words are called describing words. So what are describing words? Words that describe the qualities of naming words. Here you see the king had a huge palace. Here palace is the naming word and what is the quality of the palace? It's huge palace, isn't it? So here the word huge is the describing word. Then again the little girl is playing with a hula hoop. The little girl is playing with a hula hoop and here the naming word is girl and what is the quality of little girl? She is little, isn't it? So the word little is the describing word. Then and next sentence, Meera is a good swimmer. Meera is a good swimmer. So Meera is, what is the quality of Meera? She is a good swimmer. So the word good is describing the term swimmer, okay. Then empty vessels make more noise. Empty vessels make more noise. Here empty, the word empty is the describing word. So like that some exercises are given. You have to circle the describing words in the given sentence. It is very simple, okay. Describing words means the word which shows the quality of the naming word or it comes before the naming word. So Nikhil has a cute puppy. Nikhil has a cute puppy. So the puppy is the naming word. So what is the quality of that puppy? It's very cute. What is the describing word? Cute. The word cute is the describing word. Then see the next sentence. She had a red apple in her bag. She had a red apple in her bag. What is the color of the apple? Red. So here the naming word apple is described as red. So here red is the describing word. Then next, the tiny chick walked around the farm. The tiny chick walked around the farm. See the sentence. The tiny chick walked around the farm. Here the naming word is chick and what is the quality of that chick? It is tiny, small. So the word tiny is the describing word. Then mother got me a bunch of green grapes. Mother got me a bunch of green grapes. So here grapes, it's the naming word and the quality of that grape is green. So here the describing word is green. Then the last one, Suleha's garden has beautiful flowers. Suleha's garden has some flowers. So what type of flowers? Beautiful flowers. So the word beautiful is the describing word of this sentence. So hope you understood what are describing words. So describing words are the words that describe the qualities of naming words. The words that describe the qualities of naming words. Then here fill in the blanks with the most suitable describing words given in brackets. Again the exercise 2, you have to choose the correct describing word from the bracket. The students are dash, noisy and pink. You have to choose the correct describing word. The students are, which will be the correct one, you have to choose. So the students are noisy. The students are noisy. You have to choose the word noisy and write in the blanks. Then next one, my father bought dash car. My father bought dash car. The options are new and round. So you have to find the quality of the car. Is it round or new? Of course it's new, isn't it? So the correct answer will be my father bought new car. Here the word new is the describing word of the naming word car. Then next, this is a dash idea. This is a dash idea. Options are heavy and good. So you have to choose the correct describing word. This is a, we always say this is a good idea. So the word good is the describing word and that you have to write here. Then the remaining two you have to do by yourself. Okay, then you have to send me the answer. So always remember that describing words means words that describe the quality of the naming word. Then homework, you have to write in the notebook what are describing words. You have to write the definition. Words which describe the naming words in a sentence are called describing words. This definition you have to write in the notebook. And one exercise I left for you, that's exercise 3 at page number 29. So there some sentences are given with the wrong describing words. You have to change that wrong describing words to correct one and do it. The first one I shall read. Ananya lives in a long house. Ananya lives in a long house. Here the house is the naming word and the quality of the house, here it is given long. We never say that it's long house, isn't it? We used to say small house or big house or beautiful house. So you can change that sentence like this. Ananya lives in a big house. Instead of long, you can use the describing word big. Then the next one is Meena has big hair. Meena has big hair. The word hair is the naming word and that naming word is described with the word big, but it's wrongly described. So the correct word you have to, correct describing word you have to use. We can use Meena has long hair. We never say big hair, isn't it? Meena has long hair. Instead of big, you have to write long hair. So in that way you have to rewrite the sentences given at page number 29 and page number 30. There are 5 questions are there. One is already done. The remaining 4 you have to do by yourself in the textbook itself. Okay. So today's class is over. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you.